brand of bakeware here at QVC, and they've really expanded to give us all these lovely coordinating pieces. So whether you're about to coordinate your Temptations bakeware to these candles, or you don't maybe even know Temptations, maybe you're new to Q2 and you just think, well, I think those are pretty. This is awesome because at a clearance price, you are getting 3 flameless candle pillars for just 3 easy payments of $13.33. What a great value. We're going to do a small, you'll get that. That's 3 by 4 inches, so 3 inches diameter, so it's a 4-inch, a 6-inch candle, and an 8-inch. In front of me is the black. It's a beautiful floral pattern that is very popular thanks to our Temptations bakeware. We also have this available in cranberry in these old world styles, and we can take a look at that. Oh, we're going to pull it up in just one second. Actually, you know what? While we wait to pull it up, let's go ahead and say hello to Lisa Lasorte, who joins us from Temptations. Hi, Lisa. How are you? And it looks like you have the cranberry in front of you. Is that right?
I do, Sandra. It's so great to see you. And yeah, that's right. If you're new to Temptations, we've actually been presenting kitchenware and some home decor for over 20 years. This is our 20th anniversary year at QVC. So we're so excited. We actually partnered with Candle Impressions, which we know is the best of the best. And it has their amazing embedded technology of that realistic glow that comes from within. But it's 3 sizes, right? You get the 4, the 6, the 8. These are our most popular floral patterns. But what's really great about it is that this is a real wax candle. Yeah. Inside, there's even a black wick. So it almost looks like you could light it if you wanted to, but no mess, no fuss. Just add 2 AA batteries. And then it has a timer. 5 hours on, 19 hours off. When you put in those batteries, you'll have over 1,000 hours of glow time. And I feel like flameless candles are just seasonless, right? Doesn't
Absolutely.
matter. You can put them inside, outside, and they just look gorgeous.
Let's actually take a look at these colors. So I have the black in front of me.
Yeah.
And we're going to take a look at the other 2 colors. Oh, look how pretty as the lights go down. Look at that gorgeous flame look. And then that is our confetti. And the confetti is always so popular. And then there's that gorgeous cranberry. So, Lisa, these do match back to your most popular pattern when we see in all your cookware and bakeware and dishes, right?
Yeah, that's exactly right. And they're so home decor friendly colors. So whether you're picking up that cranberry, which is that warm red color, the confetti is perfect for spring because it has colors like blue and purple and lilac and yellow. So it really ushers in the spring perfectly. And then black, just perfect neutral for any room of your home. I love the varied sizes, Sandra, because whether you want to put these on pillars, like I have over here on my right, or if you want to just tuck them up in bookcases, they're just the perfect size. And because there's no real flame, yet there is real wax, they look so realistic.
Yeah.
When we brought the lights down, it's just that warm glow.
Well, and you know what I like about these is that they're different. So, you know, if you're someone who loves Temptations, you might be picking these up just because they match your bakeware, and this would be really cool in the kitchen. But I want to invite people who have never tried Temptations just to get these because it's such a beautiful pattern. You know, especially if you're someone who already has flameless candles. You know, I have white flameless candles at home. Pop these with them, create a little visual interest. You get 3 whenever it comes to decorating. You know, it's always good to decorate in odd numbers. That's a little decorating trick, odd numbers and varied heights. And that's what you're getting here. You don't have to buy 3 separate candles. You're getting all 3 right now. 30% off the QVC price. These were very popular when they were $57.50. We've now dropped that price to 3 easy payments of $13.33. And Lisa, to get a candles impress, because I know you worked with Candle Impressions with this, to get a flameless candle with these sizes for $13 a piece, that's wild.
I agree with you. And this gorgeous pattern, thank you for calling that out, because we're so used to getting solid colors, right? Now the fact that you can pop this interest, like you said, and black isn't just black. It has little touches of yellow. The same with the cranberry. If you're a colorful person and you love all the colors of spring, then confetti is for you. And because there are these great sizes, like they're not too big, they're not too small, a 4, a 6, an 8-inch. So you can either layer them down your dining room table. You can just tuck them into a bookcase. If you have a covered entrance or a covered porch area, these are beautiful to just put outside and leave them there. That's the best part about it. It's just so effortless decorating.
So this is the black, and obviously we have the lights down, and so you can see the flicker. We also have them available though in the confetti, which is always such a popular pattern from anything from Temptations. And there's that beautiful cranberry. They're just really fun. And if you know someone who collects Temptations, this might be something that she doesn't already have that you can get her that would be just lovely. This has Mother's Day written all over it. H230150. Give us a call at 1-800-500-7590 to place your order. And of course, you can also do that on QVC2.com. Lisa, it's always so nice to see you. And it looks like we both decided to wear matching sweaters, so that's always nice too.
I was going to say, we got the memo, didn't we?
Exactly.
Happy Valentine's
Wait, what's
Day.
your dog's name? I've been so distracted by how cute.
This is Lulu, my little Yorkie, and she sits with me whenever I'm on air. I love it.
Oh my gosh, she is a little doll. Thank you for sharing Lulu with us.
Thank you.
Have a good one, Lisa.
Thank you, Sandra. Great to see you.
Thanks.